Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button, make sure the bell notifications lit, and make sure you guys are tapped in the Money Bags Mansion. I call this one very early. If you're new to the channel, that link is down below. It is free and always will be free. Today we're going to go over an article. We're going to do some price prediction, some technical analysis. We're going to talk about two exchanges listing Kendu and the ones that could be listing Kendu in the future, creating more exposure, therefore more volume and more price action. Kendu's headed right back towards those all-time highs. So best altcoins to buy right now. Okay, we're going to talk about Kendu Inu, of course. Look at this chart, everybody, looking amazing. But let's go ahead and just cover a little bit of this, and then we're going to jump right into the latest and greatest coming from the Kendu Inu army, right? So we got Kendu was developed to create a secure and inclusive cryptocurrency ecosystem. That means everybody's welcome. And when you're talking about everybody, you have to talk about what's next. The project core principle revolves around fostering a strong and unified community. That community that I'm going to ask to let's get over 100 likes on this video. The real Kendu Inu community. Wink, wink, everybody. This focus on community and security makes it appealing to investors seeking a reliable and trustworthy digital asset, right? The token has been making waves recently. It experienced a significant explosion over 230% in the past week. This surge is due to its popularity and the recent announcement of partnership deals like with Satoshi Consumer, the Sheep magazine. Things like that are very huge. But now we got two exchanges that we're going to talk about as well. And those two exchanges are very significant because that lets me know that there's more to come, everybody. More to come. So meanwhile, Kendu currently hovers around that 301702 mark, indicating an almost 5% and almost 40% increase over the last 48 and 72 hours, respectively. This bullish momentum has attracted significant trading volume exceeding 13 million over the previous 24 hours. The 125% surge in trading volume is a positive indicator, signifying increased market participation and further price increases. We're going to talk about what's happening, right? Obviously, there's a little bit more, but what's really happening is Kendu Inu. I don't want to talk about the other ones right now. I'm talking about Kendu Inu, the real Kendu Inu, everybody. Now, when we come over here, we see that we're up, 16% on the day. The volume is 3.69. But this is what you want to look at. We got Bitcoin, the Bitcoin. We got the Super X one that just happened. We got Big One. We got Polynix, Bank, Bitmart. But there's some big ones that are yet to come, everybody. And we can see that the team is developing nonstop. I'm going to have all their official links down below. That is at Kendu Inu. Make sure you guys are tapped in. But we got this one right here, ProBit. Okay, this one's going to be going live soon. So this one's not even on there yet. I'm kind of letting you guys front run what's going to be happening very soon. There's going to be more volume, more exposure, everybody. So we had this exchange as well. We had this one right here as well. Super X exchange, another exchange. But we're still missing the MEXCs, the Gate.ios. There's still some big ones out there that with their volume, this thing could really send to new heights. So I think it's important that you guys realize that these guys have their helmets on nonstop and they are working for their bag. This is why I resonate with this community so much. And also the memes are getting funny. Check out the memes, everybody. Let's watch some memes together. Turn the volume down, right? Look at the memes, everybody. The memes are fun. You gotta have the memes, everybody. Look at this. Look at the Jeets. Look at the Jeets. Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Oh man, what a great movie anyways.
He's the one.
Oh, what? You gotta love this space, the stuff that we do, right? I also got another video I want to go over. This had me laughing so much. It was during the live stream. I mean, this is the space that we're in right now, everybody. Check this out.
Hi Kendu Army, today we're smashing a plate because Concorium just hosted an amazing event at the Natural in Copenhagen. Let's fucking go!
The helmets stay on, everybody. No, the helmets stay on, everybody. We're having a great time with Kendu. I'm not going to make you guys wait too much longer. You guys see the price predictions are coming up. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything. These are the partnerships that we're talking about, right? The Kendu Inu, the magazines with Satoshi. All this stuff is important, everybody. The ProBit, the Super X, the future exchanges to come that are just going to bring more and more exposure. We got Bank, Bitmart, Polynix, but there's still some big ones out there that can really, garner a lot of attention. Let's go ahead and close this out really quick. Now check this out. We're at 191. We are headed towards all-time highs, everybody. We are headed towards all-time highs. Now, on one of the live streams, I put this trend right here. You guys pulled up. I put this trend right here, but this is everybody with their helmets on, right? They're not always picture perfect, right? But it's amazing when it does happen. And I knew that this thing's going to go test all-time highs again. Everybody that's rocking with me, you guys got in down here. We are still very, very early on Kendu Inu. You got to, when it comes to these plays like this, it's a matter of time in the market beats timing the market. When you see the community got their helmets on, when you see they got a martini in their hand, when you see that they're not going to stop pulling up back to back to back, these are the type of communities that you want to engage with. You're supposed to find a solid vision, solid team, solid community, and a community that continues to hold all-time highs. The market was red, and yes, there was some pullback. We talked about this trend, but now look at where it's at now. Like, they broke out of that trend, and now the markets are turning around on everybody, and we're headed right back towards all-time high. We are, everyone. I want to mark this up because this is that type of community that if you mark something up like this, we'll start to march towards it. This is that $300 million market cap. Yes, everybody. $300 million market cap is right in sights. When we break up here and we get above that 200 million, all we have is that 250 in the way, and we're heading to that 300. That's all we're going to have in the way. You guys have the conviction. I have the conviction in Kendu. The team has the conviction in Kendu. The new subscribers that are finding out about Kendu are going to have conviction in it because we hold all-time high back to back to back. We pull up with our helmets back to back to back. You guys have the bell notification lit. You guys pull up to all my live streams. That's why I rocked with you guys so hard, and you guys know what's up. You guys know what's up, man. But this is what we're doing, man. The Kendu train is on fire, everybody. We got a French community coming. You guys don't want to miss out. The chart's only going to get better. This is going to be one of those I told you so moments. This is going to be one of those plays. The markets are still high. If you guys watch my live streams, we're on the left side of the chart, everybody. Bitcoin is still pumping. I know the market's pulled back in the macro right now in the short term, but don't worry about that right now. Long term, they gave Bitcoin an ETF right around its all-time high. That's not priced in yet, everybody. That's not priced in, everybody. So there's still some pumping to go. They got ETH ETFs. That's going to bring some more pump, some more liquidity into ETH. And that's going to bring more eyes onto projects like Kendu Inu. Make sure you guys get this video to over 100 likes. Let's go ahead and set our targets. Anything above this $200 million market cap, that's going to be ideal. Any consolidation, really, I know I got this mid-range that we're holding on to right now. This is really good. Anything above the 200, that's what we want to do, right? And get back up here and do our thing. Very easy, everybody. We can do this. I know we can. If there's a community out there that can do it, it's this one right here. This one can keep pushing. We are right there. And I'm going to say something before we get out of here. I've never seen where it's going to happen overnight. You're going to see that $300, $400 million market cap, and then out of nowhere, it's going to go $1 billion. And I've been saying it for a while. It's rare that a meme coin hits $1 billion market cap and it doesn't hit 2 or 3. Just keep that in mind. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but when you see this community, you see the team developing, I mean, it's all right there. The writing's on the wall, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe, or continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.